Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Metamask Wallet to your PIXELVERSE. The first thing is that you need to download and install Metamask. To do this, you have to just visit your Metamask website, go and click on download for Brave, or just go and click on download if you're using another browser. Now here you will get this option of install Metamask for Chrome, right? So I'm using, by the way, if you're using Android, then definitely you can just go and select Android and you can install it on your phone or iOS at the same time. Now I will just select here install MetaMask for Chrome here. Now after that, once you have installed it, just go and click on add Brave and it will get installed on your extension icon. Now open the Pixelverse, navigate to the Pixelverse website or application where you want to connect your wallet. Make sure you have to log in. In the bottom left side corner, you can see an option to log in there. Now choose MetaMask from the list of supported wallet. If you don't see it listed, you may need to scroll or look for an option to connect a new wallet. A MetaMask pop-up will appear there. Now to connect your wallet, now complete your setup and confirm connection. Right, so this is the, you may want to check that your NFT or asset from your MetaMask wallet are accessible with Pixelverse. So make sure you check it, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.